Welcome to my channel Mommy and Me. If you're a mom who wants to have their kids a good neat and clean handwriting, then you should start doing pre-writing activities. Normally a child starts writing at the age of 3 to 4 years. Start doing pre-writing activities from the 2 to 2.5 years so that by 3 years their fingers are ready to hold the pencil properly. The whole idea behind the pre-writing activities is to make their finger muscles strengthen enough and to have the good grips so that they can write properly on paper. Today I will show you 3 different pre-writing activities which you can easily try out at your home. Before starting my video, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to get the regular updates from my channel. Let's start. The first pre-writing activity is transfer solid. I have taken an empty bowl and a bowl of solids. I have taken dal. You can take anything like chawal, rajma, anything. Just transfer solid. Make sure your child hold the spoon by using the 3 writing fingers. This is a small size spoon so they can hold it properly, and just slowly they will transfer the solid from one bowl to another. Very slow, and they should hold the spoon by using 3 writing fingers. You don't need to buy any expensive toys or anything. All the things are available at your home. Just in your spare time, let the kids have fun and they can do this activity at ease. Initially they won't be able to hold the spoon properly, they will make spillage, but do it but gradually they will become habituated with it. Just transfer the solid from one bowl to another. It looks very simple from our point of view, but when a kids do by holding the spoon in the right way, their grip will be much better. So this was my first pre-writing activity, transfer solid from one bowl to another. For the second one, I have tiered the color paper like this. Make sure the color paper is big enough to so they can hold it properly. Don't cut it too small, and don't tear the paper in front of them, otherwise they will get the habit of tearing everything they get. And I have drawn a circle on a paper. A circle on a paper. You can draw any figure you want. Then you take a pen brush and gum. Dip the pen brush and just spread the gum on the figure. And ask them to pick up the paper by using the 3 writing fingers. Again, the idea is same. Using the 3 writing fingers, the paper is big enough for them to hold. Pick up the paper by using 3 writing fingers and just paste. Take the paper and just paste. Take the paper and just paste. This is paper tearing and pasting activities. This also makes their finger ready for writing. Don't give emphasis to make something beautiful. They don't need it. They just need to pick up the paper in the right way and just paste it. That's it. That's the second one. And for the third one, I have cut a potato into the half. And see, I have made it like this, a small cube. Okay, And I have taken a green pencil, green color pencil, yellow poster color, and a blank paper. Now again encourage them to hold the potato like this by using 3 writing fingers, and they will dip the potato into the poster color and take the impression on the paper. Now we mothers can draw a crown like this. You can try this out with other vegetables like lettuce finger, like carrot, anything you have at your house. See, this is a pineapple. So they can make vegetable printing like this, but make sure every time they are using their writing fingers, because the idea is to improve their grip and make their fingers muscles strong enough to hold the pencil properly. All of these activities are very simple. You don't need to buy anything. You don't need to invest so much money for them. Try them out with your kids at your home. And I'm trying to give you the parenting tips, the homeschooling tips in a very simple way. If you want to support me, please like, share and comment on my video. Thank you for watching.